How to change phone number on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can change your phone number on WhatsApp. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change your phone number on WhatsApp, you have to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp app. Make sure that you're signed into your account and then tap on the three lines or the three dot icon from the top right and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, choose the option called account, and here you'll find the option called change number. Once you tap on change number, this is the exact place which you can use in order to change your phone number on WhatsApp. So to do this, but you have to actually have access to your current phone number. To do that, now tap on the next option. Now you can simply enter your old phone number over here. So let me just go ahead and enter my current phone number. And once I enter my current phone number, you have to enter the new phone number that you want to use and make sure that the new phone number does not have another individual WhatsApp account as well. Now once you enter your old phone number and your new phone number, tap on the next button from the bottom, and then you can also notify your contacts of this change if you want them to know that you've changed a number, or else just tap on the done button. And once you've done that, it may ask you to verify it. So you can see it will ask you to actually enter the new code. So just make sure that you're connected to that specific code, and it will ask that code. And once you verify the new code, you'll be able to change the number. Just tap on the next button, and you can see your phone number has been changed from this number to that number. So just tap on OK. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully changed your phone number on WhatsApp. So you can see the chat and everything, they're also basically going to remain the same. That's all it takes to change phone number on WhatsApp. We hope this video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.